magnify. I magnify. Break it down, break it down, break it down for me. To dancify is the superlative of to dance. When you dance, you do. But when God does something for you, your dance begins to go something. To magnify means to lift up the name of the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. To praisify is the superlative of the praise. That is to wave your hands to Him and call Him all the names that is due to Him. And of course, you know what to glorify means. Who is ready to praise the Lord with me tonight? Are you ready to show your gratitude? That's why I dancify. I dancify. I dancify. I dancify. I dancify. Like David did. I give you a dance tonight. I dancify. I dancify. That's why I praisify. I praisify. I praisify. I praisify. That's why I magnify. I magnify. Your word of all the glory. There was a time in the middle of the night, I and my husband were not in the house. The room where the children were sleeping, they were lying down and the AC by the side caught fire. And those 3 boys were lying on the bed. All that could have happened was that the fire would have come from the AC and burnt them to ashes without us knowing. So if you see me dance to the Lord tonight, if you see me praise the Lord tonight, I am coming from a place. So I don't know if you have a testimony like me, and you know you want to give the Lord a quality dance in this place. Let me see you do it. That's why I dance for God. I dance for God. I dance for God. I dance for God. Lord, I praise your name for all you have done. Lord, I praise your name for all you have done. Lord, I praise your name for all you have done. Lord, I bless your name for all you have done. I lift my hands to you just to say I thank you. I lift my hands to you just to say I thank you. Oh yeah, find one neighbor. Look at the person eyeball to eyeball. Say neighbor, neighbor, we're going to dance together tonight. I have a testimony and I want you to dance with me. So look at your neighbor and say, oh yeah, make we dance, make we praise God together. Oh yeah, make we dance, make we praise God together. Oh yeah, make we dance, make we praise God together. Oh yeah, make we dance, make we 1, 2, let's go. Bend down, hey. Bend down, bend down. Hey, muchacho. Bend down, bend down, bend down. Come on, hey. Bend down, hey. Bend down, bend down. Enjoy it, enjoy it. Bend down, bend down, bend down. Come muchacho. Look for another neighbor. If that neighbor is calling you, find another person. Say neighbor, let us thank the Lord tonight. Let me praise my God tonight. If I have some serious people, you are free to come to this place and show them how it is done. Are you ready now? Look at your neighbor and say, oh yeah, make we dance, make we praise God together. Oh yeah, make we dance, make we praise God together. Oh yeah, make we dance, make we praise God together. Oh yeah, dance, make we 1, 2, oh yeah, bend down, hey, bend down, bend down. Come on, bend down, hey, bend down, bend down. Cho 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 cho. Bend down, bend down, bend down. Hey, muchacho. Bend down, bend down, bend down. Hey, muchacho. Shout hallelujah. Imuchimo, imuchileke, imuchim, imuchileke. Onene menga, onene kore, onene yozo, Jehovah Jireh. Imuchimo, imuchileke, imuchimo, imuchileke. Jehovah Jireh, Jehovah Nisi, Jehovah Shalom, Jehovah Nisi. Imuchimo, imuchileke, imuchimo. And there is one name I like to call the Lord. He is Opachirigwe Oyanku. That is the one that breaks iron like wood. If you give him iron, it becomes like wood.